for Miss Sadie Pug and Miss Brownie Dog, but we are going to start off with Sadie Pug, and this is the way this is the way that I bath my senior pug. I know everybody does their dog grooming and their dog bathing different ways, but this is the way that I do Miss Sadie's. She is very fuzzy, very stinky. She needs to have a good scrubbing. She's got stinky ears. She has one ear that gets really bad and waxy. We have had it checked. It is not ear mites. It's just bad wax in her ear every other day. This poor old ear right here gets so thick, full. I think that's why she can't hear as good. Oh, it's because of all this buildup in her ear, and I think she needs a trip to the vet to just get a good deep down ear cleaning. And yeah, but what I use for my Sadie Pug is this Fresh and Clean dog shampoo. It's the classic fresh scent. I think this is what overlooked my nails, guys. I had fake nails on. I still got a lot of glue on, but yeah, I'm gonna get those fixed. Well, I fix them myself, save money. But anyways, this is what I use for Miss Sadie Pug and Brownie. It smells really good. I think it's the same stuff that her dog groomer uses because she smells like this. Same stuff when she is home from the groomer, when we get her shaved. I do get her and Brownie both shaved down because if you have a pug, then you know that they shed a lot and they have a lot of fur. And this time of year, Sadie, Sadie has a lot of skin irritations in the summer because of all her fur. And we haven't had the chance to get her shaved down. I do have a set of dog clippers that are very quiet and you know, good for grooming dogs. And I can't do it. Me and my husband have tried, and she, especially Sadie, she bucks up on me and absolutely throws a fit. And every groomer she's ever been to tells me, oh, she's the best little dog. She's the best little dog. I think she just does this to me because she knows that I'm a sucker and I give in, and I don't like to stress her out because Sadie is an old girl. As you can see, look at that gray. She is very old and she is very frail, and I believe she is going on 14 years old. I do not know her exact birth date. She was a giveaway. And yeah, she is a full stock pug, and I just couldn't believe that this little cutie was a giveaway because she was perfect. Once we brought her home, I did realize why she was a giveaway, because she was not housebroken and she was over a year old based on what they told me her age was. And back in 2007, them saying she was a little over a year old, I was the third owner of this poor little thing. Yes. Yes, I know, love. You're mommy's baby, aren't you? This is her forever home. Forever and ever and ever. She knows I got treats up here. But anyways, the thing with Sadie's, she does not like her paws to be touched. See, it is a fight to to groom her. Are you gonna lick my toes? No. Do I have stinky feet? But anyways, she has a few black nails in the back. She's got a couple of like dark nails, but her quicks are so long on her paws, on her nails, that even when you do cut her nails, and me and my husband just cut them, they still look long. So I don't know if anybody else's dogs are like that, but yeah, you have to be very careful when you cut Sadie's paws or her nails. I have to tell, you know, her groomers that, because, you know, I don't want her bleeding everywhere. I did kind of nick one of her quicks, and it made me cry. I cried like a baby because it bled pretty bad, but she never yelped, never made a sound. She's really itchy right now, guys. Watch this. This is how itchy she is. Watch her mouth. Watch her mouth. She is on a good flea preventative. Pugs, I don't know if it's just, you know, if it's just for pugs, but I do know that Sadie is highly allergic to pug saliva. One little flea on this dog can cause a ruckus, a bad ruckus. This dog will absolutely mutilate herself trying to bite at that flea. So, but watch her mouth. Let me get to the spot. You can hear what little bit of teeth she has chattering. Hear it? Oh, God, love it, Mommy Dolly. It's so itchy right now. I can't wait to get her groomed. But I am going to groom her myself today. Just a bath. Yes. And anyways, this is her doggy cologne that I do spray on her after she's out of the bath, and I towel dry her really good. I spray a little bit of this on her, and especially in the wintertime when it's cold, I do take a blow dryer to her and put it on a low cool setting and dry her the rest of the way. But today, since it's good and sunny and warm outside here in Kentucky, she is going to sunbathe out on the back patio and hopefully dry. And same for her sister Brownie. But I do scrub her nails and her paws. I wash them really good with this because Sadie does lick her paws. I'm not for sure what is in this, but I don't like to put it on her paws. I mean, I know it gets on her paws when I bath her, but you know, to do a deep down paw scrubbing, I use this Equate baby shampoo. Of course, I got some treats, an old nail brush that I use just for the dogs, Q-tips to clean all the little nooks and crannies. I guess I said that right, I don't know. Because you do have to, after you bath them, I do not get water in her face. I do take a damp rag. I have baby washcloths that I got at the dollar store that I use just for the dogs. I clean their ears, I clean their faces, I clean around her little folds. She's got a ton of folds, on her face. Her little girl parts, I have to tell the groomers this too, around her little girl part, she's so fat, the little fat folds around her little girl part private area has to be washed really well. That's why I use these thin washcloths around the little fat areas, and they have to be dried really good. If not, she gets yeast really bad in her folds. So her being a senior, and she's never been able, to clean herself down there on her little private areas. So, yes, if you're a puggy mommy or a mommy to a bulldog or a fat dog, then you have to keep those little folds and all that clean and dry, or you will have a miserable dog. But, yeah. Also, I do use a A&D ointment or sometimes just Vaseline on her nose because Sadie gets a little crusty nose. Yes, her gets a crusty nose. Are you excited? Are you excited for your bath? Are you? Are you excited? Probably not. I don't know. She's so itchy right now because of this, all this fur and the heat, holding in all this double coat back here. She'll probably be excited for this bath. I do bath them, even in the summer, even in the winter. I bath them in warm, cool water. Not too hot, not too cold, just right like baby bear's porridge. So let's get on to this bath. So once I set the camera on the tripod, I'll probably, won't be saying much. I'll be talking to Sadie, which I do talk to my pets like they're people. So I'll probably do a voiceover or just some music throughout the video of bathing Sadie, and I may speed it up a little bit. But anyways, guys, so let's get on to this little puggy's bath. Yes. Alrighty. Say I love you. Let's see if she'll do a trick real fast, guys. Say I love you. Almost. I love you. She's so old she can hardly do it. Say I love you. I love you. Say I love you. She didn't say it. She gave me the nose bubble though. That's really cute. Okay guys, let's get this bath. Bye. She runs all over the toe, guys. So you probably won't be able to see her. Little girl parts. Sorry, my shirt keeps riding up and showing my my Her paws really don't need to be scrubbed. It's mostly Brownie's. Brownie's is usually the one that needs all the scrubbing. She hides under my legs like it's going to protect her. I'm just going to take my hands and scrub her paws real good. Her hands and some baby shampoo. me. I'm in my pajamas still. It's early. So, now let's get it dry so I can wash her face. Gotta walk her in or she'll start running. She don't like her ears to be messed with. Oh, it's dirty. From her old crusty nose. Oh, we love it. Yes. Let's wash her teeth and her lips because they hold her food up in there. Now we gotta clean the ears. Hang on. Hang on. Let's clean the ears. Should have pulled my hair up. No, I should have pulled my hair up. Let's put the mirrors again. Looking at her yet. Lock her in. Feel good, honey. And you have to rinse them really, 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 really good. And I mean really good. Or they get itchy. I don't know about every pug, but my pug has really sensitive skin. I've worked up a sweat. Hot in here. Part. Gotta rinse it good, don't we? Getting them little fat folds. Getting those little fat folds. Get the undercarriage. For me bath brownie next, I am going to be putting my hair up. We get all of her dry. Then I take Q-tips and get down in all those little folds. You're going to fall. You got to be very flexible too when doing this. Kind of drying, and let's try to dry this little girl part. Are we ready to go outside? Let's go get sister. Rub-a-dub-dub, a pug in the tub. Okay, now this is going to be a challenge for me by myself because my husband usually helps me put her in the bathtub. So I'm able to follow him with her, guys. So Brownie is super duper heavy. Super heavy. Oh, good. You know, you gotta get in the bathtub too, sister. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. This is like bathing a horse. I mean, seriously. This is going to be a challenge. Alright, sister. Whew. You're going to have to scoot up. Oh, my itty bit. Okay. Here we go. Good girl. She's so woolly. Her so woolly. It really is. Her the woolly mammoth. Day for this woolly mammoth. Bath day. Watch that big old fluffy corgi butt. I can't wait to get that old corgi butt shaved off. I'm telling you, this is like bathing a horse in my bathtub. She's so good. Such a good girl. Mommy's sorry. Mommy always has to be the bad one, don't I? I hope I'm not showing my crack. I should have changed clothes, shouldn't I, sister? She'll hold her papa. Good girl. Her undercarriage is, I mean, just as fuzzy as her back. Look at her leg. Good girl. Brownie, you crack me up. You're so good, sister. Look at that feel good. That's the butt. Who isn't that stinky? She's pretty from being under the hospices. She likes to lay under the hedges and the hospices, don't you, sis? The water's a little cooler. Alright, teacher. Alright, teacher. I can't ever get this open. Alright, teacher. Let's get some shampoo. Alright, girl. Get some for the undercarriage. Some for the undercarriage. Let it rub, dub, 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 dub. This one you gotta make sure that you get her rinsed good. Or you've got a soaking mess. Hi Marty Cat, I hear ya. I hear you, Bubby. He's locked out. I got brother locked out, Brownie. Get us a good lather going. What's going on, sis? What's mommy doing? What's mommy doing? Mama doing that, bud. Scrub, clean them armpits. Clean the cord butt. I don't know how I'm going to get you out of the bathtub. Let's check them nails. Hang on. Clean your face. Clean your eyes. Clean the teeth. Clean the ears. Rag out really good before I clean her ears. Oh, yeah. Mama cleans the inside of it with her finger. Her ears ain't that bad. I worry about her getting stuff down in her ears when she gets into those hospices. Too bad. Not too bad. Hang on, Sissy. Good job. That's a little yucky. Oh, alright, let's get this pasta. I'm sorry if my bellies are hanging out and oh, this pile's muddy. You've been digging. Hang on, hang on. Good girl. Hang on. Good girl. Good girl. Different pots. little muddy. He likes to get up there and dig, don't you? He likes to get up there and dig. Girl, oh, you did so good. Like I said, guys, you gotta be flexible for this job. You did so good. Whew. Oh, my back's hurting. Mommy, back will hurt. You want a treat? Oh, it says low battery. Hang on. Don't shake off yet, sister. Stay right there. Let me plug my battery up. Okay. Are we still recording? Yep. Come over here this way. Come on. This way. Come on, this way, little bit. This way. Come on. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh. Oh, goodness. Oh, mercy. You're okay. You're okay, baby. Don't put your nose in my butt. Good girl. That's how you did right there. Okay. You just gotta get that undercarriage real good. She licked my legs. Good job, sister. Let's see if we can twist it this way. Okay, you gotta turn around so I can get you back in. Okay. This is a dang workout for Mommy, too. Okay, watch out, good. Watch out. Good girl. Keep burning up. You think this would cool you down? Almost done. Almost done. I think you're good. Just make sure. Spray out the shower, the grit on the ground. Spray out the bathtub. Alright. Let me dry herself off. You've done so good, sister. You did. I hope I got all the soap off hope I got all the stuff off of you. Making sure that wasn't a flea. And it wasn't, thank goodness. I dry up everything before I dry her because her towels has dog fur all over it. Down inside her ear, I just turn around. Her ears is always clean. I just want to make sure it dries. I got more of my hair everywhere. And dog fur. Okay, sister. We'll try to dry you the best I can. But anyways, guys, this is the gist of it. I'm gonna attempt to get her outside onto the porch so she can dry in the shade or the sun or whatever's out there right now with Miss Sadie. But thanks guys for watching. Okay guys, after Miss Sadie is all dry, I already sprayed her little doggy perfume on, and she smells so good. I'm going to wipe out her ears with these little itchy ear wipes. She just snotted all over me. And I'm going to double clean these little ears. I don't have my fake fingernails on, so it may help me from scratching her ear. My ear's not that bad. They're not that stinky, are they? It's hard to get in these little creases and crevices in these ears. Okay. And then I take a Q-tip and I go around this little part of her face, make sure it's good and dry. Hang on, baby. Hang on. I usually take some, yeah, it still feels wet. So I'm going to take a few Q-tips and dry. I am going to, after the video, I am going to take a dry towel or washcloth and I'm going to go around the little crevices around her little girl part to make sure around those little fat folds it's good and dry. Here, can mommy dry your nose some more? Hang on, baby. Hang on. She don't like that. You're almost done. Dry these ears. I take a little piece of toilet paper just to dry wash. Watch her fight me because she knows I have a treat. Let mommy dry your ear now. Here, she can't get away from me in this chair. Hang on now, Buck and Bronco. I'm not going to, listen, I am not going to give you your treat. You're going to get in trouble, sister. I'm going to put some A&D ointment on her nose, and then I'm going to give her her chewy bone. And then I'll go finish up Miss Brownie. So hang on. I just dab this right on her nose. I don't cover her nose holes. You've got it all over your face, baby love. Listen to her blow her nose. Good job. Let's make sure we ain't got it on your nose, up in your nose. Alright, let's wipe out your eye creases. I always wipe out the little creases around her eye. Yes. And I think other than drying around her little girl part, I think Miss Sadie's done. High five. High five. High five. Is this what you want? Is that what you want? Can mommy have a kiss? Mommy kiss. Mommy kiss. Come and kiss. Thank you. All right, guys. That's it for Miss Sadybug. Say I love you. Say I love you. Say thanks for watching my bath time video. Say I love you. Say I love you. I love you. I love you. I will. You ain't saying it. I love you. Just going rough, rough. I love you. Almost. I love you. She ain't gonna do it. She's out of practice, aren't you? You've not practiced that in a long time. But okay, guys, thanks for watching Sadie's bath time, and we are going to go and finish up Brownie's video. Bye. Okay, guys, we will be finishing up Miss Brownie's bath time. We are going to dry out her ears. I will take one of these little wipes and wipe her ears out because she gets itchy ears sometimes too. If I can get this out, I want the whole pack. Look here, Brownie, I got the whole pack open. One of them. Brownie's looking at the window waiting for her daddy. Is Daddy out there? Where's Daddy? She is a daddy's girl. Are you a daddy's girl? Oh. Yeah, she is. She is for sure a daddy's girl. I broke the pack for a little container of the ear wipes. Okay. Where's sister? She just falls over. Alright, let's wipe the ear. Wipe them ears. I don't know, maybe. Let's make sure they're good and clean. This one's she's holding this one kind of funny, so I'm afraid she might have a hair or anything stuck in. I don't know why she likes to snip it. We'll wipe our eyes with a piece of toilet paper. We're going to dry those ears. Yeah, we're going to dry those ears real good. She's got squeaky clean ears. Yeah. Good girl. We don't have to worry about toothpicks. Oh Lord, I'd hope not put toothpicks in those ears. We don't have to worry about Q-tips. She's good to go. She doesn't have all those little fat folds like Miss Sadybug does. And she is ready for her chewy bone. Speak. 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 Wait, let's raise this up a bit. Okay. Poor little Sadie can't hardly do her tricks anymore. I'm gonna kiss. Oh, thank you. Right on the side of the head. That was a hard kiss. Okay. Say thank you for watching my bath time. Say thank you. Oof, she says. Say that was Sadie and Brownie's bath time video. Yes, thank you for watching. Say thank you. Thank you. Bye, guys.